Alright guys, I'm going to do another video because the one doesn't look totally great. But this is a broken rod, right? But I need this tip, so I'm going to take it off. So I'm going to grab some pliers. Start heating it up evenly. So you're trying to heat up the metal. If you heat up the plastic, you'll see it'll start to catch on fire. No, but you're trying to heat up the metal. And then voila. Comes off like that. Then we're going to put it on. Same thing. You heat it up. You heat it up. I can't find my glue, but there's usually there's glue in there, you know, so I'm just gonna heat it up just so it gets hot. And then once I get it nice and warm, I'll slide it over here. Shit. Yeah, hold on. Okay, warm it up. And just make sure it's straight with your original ones. And ta-da! That's it right there.